Hello, eBay is rolling out a new feature called a generative AI tool that lets sellers create entire product listings from just a photo. The company believes this will help merchants speed the selling process by giving them more options. In the past, product descriptions have often been very short and vague. This new feature will allow sellers to include more description and product description in their listings. It also allows them to more easily respond to questions submitted by customers. Gallery IDs equals 164035891, 1641110, 1642111, 1643112, 1644417, 1645118, 1644619, 16472, 16482, 1649222, 1651223, 1652225, 1655329, 1654434, 16553 536, 1656737, 1657338, 1666239, 16634, 1664441, 1665541, 881, 882, 883, 884, 885. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.